welcome in our show, which is Mom and Daughter and Followers. So today it's a special, podcast for me because I have my daughter as the guest. Hi, Haripriya.
Hi,
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
So who all are there with you today? So they are your followers?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me one thing, Haripriya, that why you like toys so much?
They're cute.
They're cute like you?
I
Yeah?
guess so.
You guess so? Okay. So why do you like the toys? So tell me about this one. What is this?
Its name is Sheepy
Sheepy. Why sheepy?
because it looks like a sheep.
Is it? Really? It
Yeah.
looks like a sheep?
Yeah.
And this is one of the toys that you have in the big collection of toys that you have,
Yeah.
isn't it? How big the collection is that you have? If you can just tell a little bit about it.
Like a bed full.
A bed full of toys you
Yeah.
have? Seriously?
Yeah.
How many bed full of toys you have?
Two, I guess.
Two or three?
Two.
Two. So you mean to say that you have a hell lot of toys, like full of bed, like you have two rooms full of toys?
Yeah.
Even cupboard full of toys?
Yeah.
All like, you know, like a sheepy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why do you like toys so much?
Because
What is it? What is it that you like about every toy? Would you like to talk about any particular
Yeah.
toy? Yeah, go ahead.
This looks like sheepy. I mean sushi.
Sushi.
Yeah.
You like sushi?
No,
Then
I don't like fish.
you don't like fish. Okay. So you were talking about your toy. So I remember that in the recent movie that you shot, Alpha Nano,
Yeah.
there were a lot of toys, right?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
even a big bear.
A big bear?
Yeah.
So you were talking about that bear, right? The
Yeah.
big bear.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that. How did you get that big bear toy? And
I
who
was
gave you that?
I was gifted by my uncle on my birthday.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how big that bear is?
Like almost as tall as me.
As tall as you?
Yeah.
You mean to say that's huge, man? That's literally huge. It is.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one of the toys that you have,
Yeah.
and I am very much sure that I saw that toy in the Alpha Nano movie as well.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You were like sleeping on it,
Yeah.
and it was hugging you, right?
Yeah.
Like this. That's so cute,
Yeah.
right? So, the entire, what else you have? Like, tell me more about it.
I have another big bear, but it's smaller than the huge yellow one.
Okay, what color is that?
It's pink.
It's pink. You
Yeah.
like pink.
Yeah.
And what else? Tell me more.
I have a lot of toys.
Can you just explain few of them? Like how we
Yeah.
talked about the big teddy bear, then the small teddy bear.
Yeah.
Then I know there's one character called Capybara.
Yeah.
How many capybaras do you have?
Two.
Two capybaras. Oh my god, that's cute. I saw that the capybara's nose, it comes out when
Yeah.
you pull it out,
Yeah.
and then it goes back in. Is it?
Yeah.
I saw that. I saw
Yeah.
that toy in one of the programs that we shot.
Yeah.
Okay. So I believe two full of room of toys. That's huge. So
Yeah.
since when are you collecting these toys? Like what age were you that you started this collection?
Maybe like 4.
4 years?
Yeah.
And how old are you now?
10.
10 years. So like a 6 years of collection for toys?
Yeah.
Wow, that's huge. So tell me one thing. If you travel, do you carry your toys also with you?
Yeah, only 1 or 2.
One or two. Because they are your followers, right?
Yeah.
And they are your friends as well. And you
Yeah.
want them every time by your side.
Yeah.
So what kind of toys do you like?
I like the ones that we actually play with and the soft ones.
Okay, so which toys do you play with? If you can just tell me a little bit to your like The people who are watching it, they want to know
Yeah.
what kind of toys you play with.
I mostly play with the soft toys right now, but I used to play with dolls.
Wow. So you also have dolls in your collection.
Yeah.
What kind of dolls? Barbies?
No, I
Then
don't like Barbies.
you don't like Barbies.
Yeah.
So different kind of dolls other than Barbies. Can you
Yeah.
name a few?
I forgot the names because it's been a really long time since I played with them.
Hmm. But eventually, even if you like, if you'll grow old, you still you will keep all your toy collection with you
Yeah. Yeah.
because they are your friends and followers too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I will still keep them in even if I grow older.
in your collection. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I know that when you sleep, you want your toys with you.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that.
Yeah. I sleep with half of my toys or maybe less than that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so you make them sleep also like small babies.
Yeah.
How do you do that? If you can just explain us, how do you do that?
I just lay them down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like babies,
Yeah.
and they are all next to you,
Yeah.
and then you sleep with them. I
Yeah.
believe you even hold sheepy, right, while you sleep,
Yeah.
and you just put it like very close to you, and you're so happy with it. Yeah. And I remember like at times when I say that, why are you sleeping with the toy? Just keep it aside. You say, no, mama, I want to be with my toys.
Because I was cold.
Ah, okay. Why? Oh, because you were cold.
Yeah.
So when the toy is there with you, it's you like the feel of the toy, right?
Yeah.
It gives you that warmth.
Yeah.
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 And why you treat them like babies? But they are
But
non-living, no?
but still they're cute.
They're cute
Yeah.
and like you. So tell me, whom do you like more? Which is your favorite toy?
I don't have one because I like them all equally.
You like them all equally.
Yeah.
That's so nice, Haripriya. So you don't have a favorite?
Yeah.
That's so good. And tell me one thing. Like, if God forbid that if someone says that give all the toys to me,
I won't.
you won't.
Yeah.
You're sure about it?
Yeah.
And if someone says that I'm going to give you a lot of money, just give all your toys to me,
No.
what will you do?
I won't give them away.
You will not give them away. Why?
Because
This so close to your heart?
yeah.
Yeah. They were precious.
Yeah.
They're precious than even money.
Mm.
Oh my God, I'm pretty sure, Haripriya, when you'll grow up,
Yeah.
then definitely you will not have this mindset. But if you still have that mindset, I think that would be the best thing to
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
Okay, so any particular toy that you want to tell people, like there must be kids watching you,
Yeah.
uh, that you can suggest them, then they can buy. And would you like to suggest any toy?
Yeah.
Which
I
which
like this one a lot.
what is the name?
Snowball.
Snowball. Who kept the name?
Me
You have kept the name as Snowball. Why? Where did you get inspiration from?
from Snow.
From snow. So it looks like a snow, is it?
Yeah. A snowball.
A snowball. So cute. That's nice. Okay, tell me more about. I saw that there were, we had gone to this cafe one day and
Yeah.
we bought two toys from there, and
Yeah.
both of the toys were like, like the blue color. You remember those two toys when we bought? So wherever we go, any special place, and we get souvenirs from there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You remember our last Delhi visit,
Yeah.
and you got like small teddies as a token of welcome gift
Oh
from there.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
How was that?
It was good.
It was cool, right?
Yeah.
So you like when anybody gets you like soft toy?
Yeah.
So what do you like the most? The toys or mama?
Mama.
Mama. So toys comes next, is it?
Yeah.
Thank God. I was thinking you were about to say, I love my toys, mama.
Uh,
But
the toys come first.
The toys comes fourth. What comes
Uh,
second?
Second comes gaming, and then third comes food.
Oh my God. So you're after mama, your second favorite thing is games. Do you want to talk about games?
Yep.
Okay then. So which is the favorite game of yours that you like to play?
Like mostly I play. It's probably Roblox.
Roblox.
Yeah.
What is that?
You don't know Roblox?
I know the name, but what is it if you can just tell more about
It's
it?
an app that I mean, it's a game that has thousands of games.
You mean to say games within the games?
Yeah, a game within a game.
How does that works? If you can just tell me more about
I
it.
don't know. I mean, I can show you.
Like like what you do? Like first you have to just make a profile or something?
Yeah, I gotta make a profile and then log in, and
Okay. And then you start playing.
yeah.
So what all games are there?
Hobbies,
What happens in that?
almost every kind of uh, I mean, almost every kind of game is in there.
So how you play? You need a mobile, right?
Yeah,
So on the phone you can play. Even on
yeah.
your tablets you can play.
It's for every device.
It's for every device. So when you make an ID, you log in and then you can just so what you play like? You have some kind of characters in that?
Yeah, yeah. You can make your own character and dress it up as you wish.
Okay, so for example, you have a character
Yeah,
and then you can dress it up in different ways
yeah,
and then that character is basically playing,
yeah.
right?
But we are
So
the one who's controlling the character.
okay, so you can create the character, you can dress it up, but you are the one who is controlling it.
Hmm.
And how do you control the character?
I mean, there are buttons we can use to control it.
Okay,
Hmm.
so you have buttons,
Yeah,
and with those buttons you can control the character.
yeah,
And okay, and then you play games.
yeah.
And how does that play the entire game framework works? Like
Hmm.
whom do you play with?
Strangers.
You mean to say
It's a
strangers?
public game. Like you can interact with every other player.
So how do you know that stranger? Is it safe, Haripriya?
Yeah,
How safe is that to
it,
actually play with a stranger?
it's not that safe, but it is safe.
Like how? How it is safe? So do you tell your names to them? How do you
No, no,
introduce yourself to the
no. We
to
just use a fake nickname.
okay. So it's a fake nickname. So it's
Hmm.
not your real name.
Yeah,
And then like does the platform allows you to share your details?
no.
Okay, so then it's safe. So
Yeah,
basically the platform is not allowing any of your details like phone number or anything
yeah,
to
yeah,
be shared on that platform.
yeah,
So only you can talk regarding the game.
yeah.
You can chat. Is there a chatting option
Yeah,
available?
there is. There is.
Okay, so what all you can chat
You,
basically?
I mean, like, you can swear, you can't say bad words or reveal anything
Okay, what
about
happens?
yourself.
What happens if someone is abusing? What happens then?
You can report that person, and they will get banned and never able to play that game or the own game itself.
Okay, so you mean to say it's only a gaming platform
Yeah,
where you are playing games,
yeah,
even if they are strangers.
yeah,
It is safe because the platform doesn't allow you to share any details, right? Like
yeah,
the contact number or anything.
yeah,
And you people can only talk about that particular game, right?
yeah.
So how
Not any apps or anything.
okay, so you can't talk about any other apps. So it's basically the
But we can talk about other games though.
which is
Not,
which is inbuilt.
yeah,
Basically, you can only talk about games which is there inside Roblox,
yeah.
not something which
No, no.
is
outside of Roblox, you can. The outside games of Roblox, you can also talk about that.
You can talk about that. So, so what happens when you're talking to each other? Like when you play games, how do you play games? How do you interact?
We can interact by to other people's. We have a in-game chatting option, so we can interact with other people with that option.
Okay. And normally the interaction is basically about the game.
Yeah.
So why Roblox is your favorite?
It has all kinds of games in just one app,
Okay, so it's one single app which
and
is
it's free.
and it's free. Oh
Yeah.
my God,
But
how
but you
is
need to make an account with the help of a parent, or you can also make it yourself.
okay? But it's a free platform.
Yeah.
Okay, so
It even has a currency.
how does that work?
The currency works like you can either buy it with real money or just get it from other people that have bought it or got it by other people.
Okay, so it's basically sharing currency.
Yeah.
You can share it with all the participants.
Yeah.
But then, of course, money is involved, right?
Yeah.
Do you think it's a good thing?
Yeah, it's only your choice to get it or not. They're not forcing you to get it.
That's true. But still, how do you see as a kid? How do you see as a kid? Like, do you think such kind of games which involves money
Hmm?
is good for kids?
I mean, almost all kinds of games have currency in them and they involve money, so it's like a normal thing.
Okay. So you mean to say everything, every app which is currently there in the in on
Almost
internet,
every.
almost every app, they all have that money thing, right? We need to buy it first.
Yeah, but
That's what you.
most of them actually force us to like a pop-up things and stuff like that. But Roblox doesn't do that.
Okay.
It doesn't force us to.
It doesn't forces you. Okay.
Because the things that you dress up the Roblox avatar, it needs that same currency, so they buy it themselves to make their Roblox avatar look good. So they don't need to force them.
So it's a choice.
Yeah,
How do you find Roblox? Like, is it user friendly? Like, it's good for
yeah,
kids?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me more about few of the games that you play.
I usually play hobbies.
Hobbies. What's that? If you can explain.
It's just like doing stunts.
Doing stunts.
Yeah,
You mean
like
to
jump,
you
like
mean to say your character is doing stunts and you are controlling that character.
yeah.
So what kind of stunts?
I mean, uh, climbing a wall or maybe jumping over an obstacle and stuff like that.
Great. So you like to do that?
Yeah,
Okay. But more in game, not
yeah,
in the real
yeah,
world. Because it's very tough in the real world. You can't just climb the wall, right?
yeah,
Without the ropes and without the supporters. So
yeah.
so what else? If you can just tell me more about few of the games that you play.
I mostly play hobbies, so I don't really know what I play.
Okay. But hobbies. These are the kinds of games. Okay. So how many people are playing a particular game at one time?
There's the option to see that, but it just depends on how popular that game is.
Normally, average. How
Yeah,
many how many people?
average. It's probably like 50,000 or something.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
One game?
yeah, 50,000 or 30,000. I guess
These
that's
many number of people are playing at the same time, you mean?
yeah. There are
That's
servers, not at the same time. There are many servers.
okay. You mean to say there are different servers and people are connecting to different servers.
Yeah,
But you are talking about a total number that
like
who
there's a limit to each one of the servers that how many people can be in a server.
and what is that limit?
Um, uh, the the person who made that game just chooses the limit. So we don't really know until we see what's the limit.
Okay, so
It's just a random number.
it's just a random number. So basically, you are saying that there's no limit, but it all depends upon who has created the game,
Yeah.
right? When you play a game,
Yeah.
the games that you play, how many more people are there? Your friends? Can you add people as friends?
Yeah, you can.
You can. Is there a limit to it?
Yeah, like 1,000. There was only a limit to 200 friends, but now it's 1,000.
Oh, so they have increased it.
Yeah.
Earlier it was only 200 friends. So
Yeah.
that means that you can only add 200 people at one point of time. But
Yeah.
now it has been increased to 1,000 of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many friends do you have on your Roblox?
Probably like more than 400,
More than
but
400.
less than 500.
That's a huge number, Haripriya.
Yeah.
And how long have you been playing this?
Maybe like since 2021, but the 2021 Roblox account I don't have it anymore.
So you changed it, but you started in 2021.
Yeah, but now my the Roblox account I play very often on. Uh, I made in 2023.
Okay, so you made a second account basically.
Yeah.
So you forgot about the first one, but you started in 2021. So it's
Yeah.
been like 4 years down the line. You have been
Yeah.
playing Roblox, and you like it a lot, right?
Yeah.
So what is so interesting about it?
It's just that it has a lot of games
It
and they don't cost real money like other games do. But most of them do cost the currency at 25 or 50 is the max.
Okay. So basically, it's free. You have a lot of gaming options, and you get to meet new people. But the safety line is that you cannot just give any details, or you can't share much details with them, right? It's only for
Yeah.
the game purpose. You're just playing game with it, nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you also like to tell more about the character that you have created for your game?
I forgot how it looks like since I haven't played it in a little while.
Okay, but still, how do you create a character basically? Like
I
how
mean,
much time does it takes and what all you
it
need?
just depends on what you choose about the outfit. I mean, what the theme is, and if you have enough Robux to actually buy the whole outfit.
Okay, so
But if
what
you
are the
do,
options available with the free outfits? Do you have enough options with free version of it?
yeah, but still, the free ones have gotten um now cost Robux. The free ones now cost Robux.
So you mean to say they have changed it? The platform has changed
Yeah,
the entire what do we call?
price of the free ones.
Okay, so why do you think now people will join if it's no more free?
I mean, a few of them are free, but yeah,
Slowly, suddenly, it's all it has a tag, it has a
yeah,
cost tag,
yeah.
right? Okay, so what's do you have a name of the character? But I don't want you to mention the just is there a name like how you named this character? Do you have a
Yeah,
name of your
I mean
character?
a nickname
Yeah,
or not the full username.
no, just a nickname.
Okay, Mika.
That's cute. That's nice. And how many friends you said you have right now?
More than 400 and less than 500.
Okay, who are your favorite? Like any? I don't want you to mention the name, but do you have favoritism like as friends who play with you quite often?
You mean like best friend?
Yeah.
I do have a few, but mostly of them I do not have in touch with them now, since we haven't really been talking since a while.
Okay, so it's only for the game purpose. So when you play game, if they are online,
Yeah,
you can play together, or they can play with their own servers, and you play in your own servers. It's like that.
yeah.
Okay, that's good. So would you like to name a few of your games that you play within the
Um,
Roblox?
yeah. 99 Nights in the Forest.
Okay.
and and I play different kinds of hobbies. I don't really have one any single hobby game.
I just want you to explain what an hobby is
I mean,
to,
it's just doing stunts, jumping over a wall, and stuff like that.
and what else? And do you have any competition like
Yeah,
is
there is some hobby competitions.
okay? And what do you get when you win such games?
You don't get anything. You just get some. In I don't. You don't really get anything in it.
So is there any appreciation?
I mean, if you. I mean, no, I don't think so.
Okay.
So, Mama, have you ever thought of playing Roblox before?
I think of playing it. You know that. You keep asking me, Mama, do you want to play with me? The only thing is, Mama is so tied up with so many other things, so she doesn't
Yeah.
get time. But yes,
Yeah,
of
but
course,
whenever you have free time, please play it with me.
of course, because we are best friends, right?
Yeah.
Give high five. I think you have answered so many questions today, and I'm so happy that Haripriya Banerjee has grown up and she's 10 years. She's doing modeling, she's doing movies like this is your second movie which you have recently completed. So previously you did Tatva, and now you have done Alpha Nano, which is worth of a content which everybody should watch. And you are doing very good in academics. You are learning German, right?
Yeah.
How is that language? Good?
Yeah, it's good.
So you like it?
Yeah.
Very good. So you're learning German, you're studying, you are working, although you play games too, but you do study at time, you are doing very good in academics, you get like A plus marks, A plus grades. So that's so good, that's so intelligent of you to actually perform in every aspect of life. As a mother, I'm so proud of you that I have a daughter who is doing so many things at the same time. Although you love your toys, but I love you too. And keep doing this good work, Haripriya. Make us proud, make your family proud, and we are always there for you. You know how much your family loves you, all in the family, your nanny, your both the mamas, they love you a lot, and we are so in support of you. Yeah, and I know you want a lot of toys and you always get it. You know why you get toys? Because you are such an obedient child, right?
You're
Because
hurting Snowball.
oh, I'm so sorry. Hmm. See, you even feel for soft toys. Such a nice person you are.
Yeah.
So keep doing this good work, right? Promise? Promise you'll do
Yeah.
good things, and
Yeah.
you'll grow up in life, and you will learn new things, and you will make your mom proud,
Yeah.
right? So thank you so much.
Thank you.
We talked so much today about your toys, about your gamings. We talked about Roblox. Do you like something else about apart from all this?
Yeah, I like to watch anime.
Anime. Oh my god, that's trending a lot nowadays. But we are going to bring a new podcast on anime. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you need to tell them that who are you? You are Haripriya Banerjee, and what
Yeah.
you have done recently?
I made a movie.
Yes.
Yeah.
So which movie is that?
It's Alpha Nano.
Alpha Nano, and
Yeah.
what is your character in the movie?
Main lead.
Main lead, and what does that character do?
It plays games.
Yes, it play games, and that's what we talked about in this entire podcast. So now it's time to say goodbye to everyone. We'll say bye bye. Bye.